standing by the river edge, watching the slow brown tide. Old paddle boat breathing smoke on the quiet Murray side. Fire lit wood in the furnace, low hum undo the hole. Horn cries out through the gum trees, morning fields wide and full. Captain Proud, away she pulls, paddle wheel turning, turning. Ropes fall loose from weather posts, red gum baits slowly burning. All those faces to the rail, eyes on the waking water. Captain Proud, the way she pulls, carrying sons and daughters. Deckhand loosens the last line, calls at meet at his feet. Kids count pelicans drifting on water further out. Old men nod from their seats as the Murray River calls out. Captain weighs his faded hat, lines carved deep in his face. Signal given, horn once more. Boat eases into space. Captain Proud, away she pulls, paddle wheel turning, turning. Ropes fall loose from weather posts, red gum banks slowly burning. All those faces to the rail, eyes on the waking water. Captain Proud, the way she pulls, carrying sons and daughters. River keeps her seedless, sandbars, stories, bones. We just ride the ripples among her stones. The stores, oh, Captain Proud, away she pulls, paddle wheel turning, turning. Voices drift across the wash, soft and low, barely learning. All those faces to the rail, hearts on the moving water. The Murray River ripples. Captain Proud, the way she pulls, like a slow old song we follow.